Good morning guys, and in front of me is Redmi 15C, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open new message or any other area. All you need to have in front of you is this keyboard. So now you can see the current language. To change it, just mark settings icon, pick languages, tap on add keyboard, and just choose the one that you want to apply. Here you've got the layout, so just pick the one that you want to use. And let me go with this one. Tap on done. And now you can either stay with one language or two or three or any number you prefer. And then you can switch between languages by tapping on this word icon. Just by tapping. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.